Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thanks so much for 100 subscribers. But yeah, guys, I'm here at WARIO. Say hi, WARIO.
WARIO time, wahoo!
Yeah, guys, so today's gonna be a very special video for you guys. Cause you know why, WARIO?
I don't know, Jake, why?
Because, guys, today we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Yeah, guys. So if I go into WARIO's inventory, as you can see, he has a few killer guns in season 1 here, but if you're looking classic, whoa, look at all these awesome radical knives. But no, we won't be giving away one, but we'll be giving away Slasher and Ice Dragon. Whoa, guys, WARIO, he's so excited.
Alright, I'm so excited, wahoo!
So yeah, guys, this is how you enter the giveaway. So what you want to do is comment down below your username and why you want to win, and also make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it around so more people can enter. And yeah, guys, also if you don't get the radio, like if it didn't work for you guys, I can do it again because there's a brand new Roblox update. If you go into settings, see here, keyboard and mouse. It's actually not keyboard and mouse, it's actually click and move. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's all for this giveaway, guys. If you want to enter, make sure you just follow those rules, and the giveaway will end in 1 week. So yeah, guys, there'll be 3 winners, and watch more of our videos.